All right, today we're going to look at polynomial long division. First, we'll review regular long division, and then we'll dive right in. So regular long division, we've got three parts. All right, we've got our dividend, our divisor, and our remainder. So our dividend is going to be what we're dividing. Our divisor is going to be what we're dividing by, and our remainder is going to be anything that's left. All right, our quotient is what we've got on our numerator. So first we say, does 14 go into 1? It does not. Does 14 go into 17? Yes, it does, once. So we multiply our divisor times that value, how many times it goes in. We get 14, so we're going to subtract 14 here. When we do that, we're going to get 3,675 because those other numbers just fall down. We say, does 14 go into 3? It does not. Does 14 go into 36? Yes, it does. It goes in twice. So we're going to subtract 28 and throw a 2 up top. When you do that, you borrow from the 3. 16 minus 8 is 8. So then we say, does 14 go into 8? Nope. Does 14 go into 87? Yep. 6 times. So we do 6 times our divisor, 14. And you're going to get 84. Yes, 84. So we subtract 84. And when you do that, you'll get 35. So we've got 6 here. And then I'm just going to write it over here. We've got 35. 14 doesn't go into 3, it does go into 35 twice. So once again, we've got 28. We subtract 28, borrow from the 3, 15 minus 8 is 7. So I've got 1,262 with a remainder of 7 divided by 14. If I'm going to write this in as a division algorithm, I'll have my dividend, what I'm dividing, is equal to my quotient, my result of that division, 1,262, without the remainder, times my divisor, what I divided by, 14, plus my remainder of 7. All right, let's look at it in the case of polynomials. We've got 2 examples we're going to do before you go ahead and try the whole highlighted problems. So our divisor here is x plus 2. Our dividend is 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. We say x times what is 2x cubed? X times 2x squared would be 2x cubed. So we do 2x squared times our divisor, and we get 2x cubed plus 4x squared. We go ahead and subtract that. When you do that, you're going to get negative 7x squared plus 4x plus 5. Then we say negative x times what equals negative 7x squared. That'll be negative 7x. We distribute that to our divisor. So we subtract that. We end up with 18x plus 5. And we say x times what equals 18x? Well, that would be 18, of course. When you do that, you'll get 18x plus 36, which we have to subtract. When you subtract that, you will get negative 31. So we've got a remainder of negative 31 over x plus 2. When we rewrite it as our division algorithm, we've got our dividend, what we were dividing, so 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals our quotient, our result without the remainder, so 2x squared minus 7x plus 18 times our divisor, x plus 2, plus our remainder, negative 13. So that's our division algorithm for this problem. Let's look at one more example. After this, you're going to do the highlighted problems. Our divisor here, because a fraction bar means divided by, is x minus 1. Our dividend is at x squared plus 5x plus 9. So x times what equals x squared? Well, that would be x. Multiply that, or distribute it to our divisor. We've got x squared minus x. Subtract that. You end up with 6x plus 9. X times what is 6x? Well, that would be 6. So we have 6x minus 6. We're going to subtract that. We get a remainder of 15. Our division algorithm would be x squared plus 5x plus 9. Our dividend is equal to our, our divisor times our quotient without the remainder. So that's our divisor. Our quotient is x plus 6 plus our remainder of 15. All right, go ahead and try the highlighted problems.